A logic circuit controls the passage of a signal according to the following requirements. Output X will equal A when control input B and C are the same. X will remain high when B and C are different. Design the logic circuit. So this is a easy problem, and as we can see we have three inputs A, B and C and only one output, that is X. So I will quickly draw the truth table. So I have drawn the truth table and we just need to fill the output X. So the question says output X will equal A when control input B and C are same. Okay, so for the first case we can see that B and C are same, so X will equal A. Then X will remain high when B and C are different. Okay, so B and C are different here, so X will remain high. B and C different, X will remain high. B and C are same, so X will be A, which is 0. B and C same, X will be A. So different value 1, 1. B and C same, so X will be A. So now we need to find the expression for output signal X. And as you can see, that can be easily done by writing the product of sum expression, as we have just two maxterm which are 0. We can also draw the K-map for the same, but I will be doing it using the product of sum. So X is A or B or C and A or B complement or C complement, because it is the inverse in maxterm expression, right? When A is 0 it is A, and when A is 1 it is A complement. Okay, so we have this A or B or C and A or B complement or C complement. Now as you can see, we have this identity. A plus B and A plus C, sorry, A or B and A or C is equal to A or BC. So we can write this expression as A or B is B or C, and your C is B complement or C complement. Okay, and now if we expand this, we will get B and B complement, which is 0, or BC complement, right? It is an easy expansion, you can do it. So we have A or BC complement, because B and B complement will be 0, right? And then we will have C and B complement or C and C complement. Again C and C complement will be 0, so I am writing C and B complement. Okay, now this is nothing but B XOR C, right? B XOR C, A or B XOR C. Now you can also design the circuit. Okay, so A or B XOR C. So I am making an XOR gate first. We will get B XOR C, and then we have to OR it with A. And this is your output X, and this is your input A.